So in this quick tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can add the glitch text effect on the video timeline on the Davinci Resolve software. It's a very attractive effect. So all you need to do is to just simply open the Davinci Resolve software on whatever device that you have been using. Now here, all you need to do is to just simply, for example, this is a basic timeline or the video that I have been working. Now to add that effect, you need to just simply expand this toolbox option, and here you need to scroll down here. You're gonna see this option of titles. Just simply click over there. Now in this title window, you need to find this option of digital glitch. You can see it's just right there. Yeah, it's a glitch text effect. So all you need to do is to just simply drag and drop to the timeline, and you can now customize that text easily from this editing window. Now you can see the effect has been added. I just simply click over there and customize the text as well. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.